My people, it don't read. It don't really happen. Una know say some people they believe say because of the power where they get, they're untouchable. But there is something people are failing to understand, and there is time for everything. I think this is the time Nigerians need to understand that we are no longer 25 years ago, or rather 40 years ago. So guys, why they talk like this? Let me say this Tinubu matter, so it don't ready they go out of expectant say anybody. You understand? Anybody go fit challenge am. So for this court matter, as me they talk to una, so when in supporters try make it all say no level, maybe it will be made cheap. Now it will be present 18 evidence like document he present am. We give am the warrant, we give am the board, say this man is not supposed to be there. I bet wanna shake her house.
It's been weeks of legal arguments arising from the outcome of the presidential election, challenging the victory of Bola Tinubu of the All Progressives Congress. The team of lawyers of the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party had rolled out their legal arsenal to discredit the outcome of the controversial presidential polls. With 40 witnesses between them and loads of documents tendered, both political parties say the electoral process was significantly flawed, with the electoral body INEC being the main culprit. With INEC having closed its case a day earlier after calling a witness, Tinubu and Kashim Shettima also followed suit, calling the Senate leader Michael Opemi Bamidele as their only witness. At cross-examination in the hearing of Atiku's case, the witness, who is licensed to practice law in the US, says Tinubu's election cannot be reversed on the strength of his forfeiture of $460,000 to the United States of America following a court order. On securing 25% of votes in the FCT to emerge winner of the presidential election, the witness says Tinubu doesn't have to, after achieving the 25% spread in the country. In the response to Peter Obi's petition, 18 documents were tendered in evidence, including that which claims the Labour Party presidential candidate was still a member of the PDP at the time he was sponsored for the position by the Labour Party. The witness also referenced this particular document while it was being led in evidence by Tinubu's lead lawyer, Wole Olanipekun. Following the showing of the Senate leader as a star witness, the APC lead lawyer, Lateef Fagbemi, expressed satisfaction that the case has reached its logical conclusion and there will be no need for additional witnesses.
The documents he tendered, particularly the report on the FCT, as a symbol of status and as a fountain of unity of the country, which they themselves tendered, was actually in favor of the petitioners. We were also able to elicit from the witness that Tinubu did not win in his own state, and that he was the only presidential candidate that did not win in his own state. All others won. Atiku won in his own state, Peter Obi won in his own state, and Kwankwaso won in his own state.
The membership of His Excellency Peter Obi has been determined by the Federal High Court, and they went on to Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal confirmed the decision of the Federal High Court. So it's a no issue.
Judgment in rem.
It's a judgment in rem. It's a no issue. So we don't want to edify anybody by joining issues with something that does not exist.
Proceedings at the Presidential Election Petition Court has now been adjourned for adoption of final written addresses on Labour Party and PDP petitions, while that of the Allied People's Movement is for 14th of July. Godfrey Eshamuge, Arise News.